Hello again. I'm going to update you now on my Cornish tea, which I've been making. On May the 4th, I picked the leaves off the Camellia williamsii hybrid in my parents' garden, and now I've just taken the leaves out of the cupboard where they've been sat for 3 days. These leaves have been, over the past 3 days, they've been sat in the cupboard fermenting. I've occasionally tossed them slightly with I won't do that now because I've got my camera in my hand. But there's a slight smell of silage, which is obviously the effect of the fermentation process. And possibly later this evening I will complete the drying process in a low oven and see what happens.